Have you ever felt like AI is just this cool but complicated toy? You can play around with these amazing tools, but when it comes time to actually get real work done, they kind of fall short. It's like they can help you out, but they can't really do the work for you.
Well, you'll be happy to hear that's finally starting to change. We're seeing a big shift away from AI assistants that just help you to what we call AI agents, tools that can actually act on their own to get a job done. So today, we're going to look at some brand new AI that can do your work, help you create some amazing stuff, and even change how you shop. All right, first up, let's look at a tool that actually does the work for you. It's called Claude Cowork, and honestly, it's one of the first big examples of an AI agent that's designed to take on your tasks from start to finish. So what is it? Put simply, it's like having a digital intern that you can train. You teach it how to do all those boring, repetitive tasks you hate, and then it just handles them for you, automatically.
Okay, but why is this such a big deal? Let's break down a real-world example to see exactly how this can save you a ton of time and why so many people are saying this is the first AI agent that actually feels useful.
So imagine you're a content creator. First, you teach Claude your brand's unique style, its voice, and all the rules it needs to follow. And the best part is, you only have to do this once. Then you just give it a link to your latest video. That's it. It automatically creates a ready-to-post social media carousel that perfectly matches your brand. Now, Cowork is really powerful, but it's not perfect. As you can see, it's amazing for those repetitive things, like summarizing a whole bunch of documents. But it can struggle with tasks that need the web, and it can't create images. So what's the bottom line? It's a fantastic tool for knowledge work, but you do still need to keep an eye on it.
Okay, so let's shift from doing work to making cool stuff. These new AI tools aren't just for spreadsheets and reports. They're also helping people create some absolutely incredible things. First up, for all you creators out there, is a tool that turns your audio into text. It's called Scribe V2 from 11 Labs, and it's built for anyone who needs transcriptions that are pretty much perfect.
What is it? Well, it turns your audio into text with some crazy accuracy. And why should you care? Because it actually understands tricky terms like ChatGPT, and it can even tell when different people are talking. This makes it a must-have for podcasters and video creators. Next up, let's talk about images. Midjourney, which is one of the most popular AI art generators out there, just dropped a new anime-focused model, and it's called Niji version 7. And seriously, the results are just stunning. This isn't about making things look like a photograph. It's all about creating a unique and really beautiful artistic style that will make your content totally stand out. So what's it really for? It's perfect for creating these cinematic, anime-style scenes that look completely different from your typical AI images. Now, it's not the best for making logos or realistic portraits, but for this very specific and very cool style, it's one of the best tools you can find. All right, let's switch gears again. AI is already changing how we work and create, and now it's coming for something we all do: shopping online. Google and Microsoft are really leading the way here with tools like Gemini Shopping and Copilot Checkout. The big idea is pretty simple. Instead of searching for products yourself, you'll just tell an AI what you want, and it'll handle the whole thing, from finding it to buying it for you. But this brings up a huge question. If these AI shopping tools have partnerships with certain brands, can you really trust that their recommendations are unbiased? It's something really important to think about as this tech becomes more common.
Okay, for our final section, let's do a quick lightning round of some other big AI updates. This is where you'll really see how AI is getting baked into the technology you use every single day.
So there are a few huge things happening. First, Apple is apparently teaming up with Google to power Siri with Gemini, which means the assistant on your phone is about to get way, way smarter. Second, OpenAI is making AI tools for healthcare to help doctors cut down on errors. And finally, Google is making its AI video generator even better, so more realistic AI videos are right around the corner. So what's the big takeaway from all this? AI is not just a toy anymore. It's becoming a truly practical tool that's being built directly into the devices that billions of us use every day, especially our phones. And that leaves us with one last question to think about. We're moving from a world where we use our phones to do things to a world where our phones will start doing things for us. What is that future going to look like?
If you found the video helpful, like and subscribe.